All right, we are going to read chapter 1, What is Health? Health today. In the past, if you didn't have an illness, you were considered healthy. Today, the term health no longer means just the absence of illness. Instead, health refers to the overall well-being of your body, your mind, and your relationships with other people. Two factors that can be used to evaluate health are life expectancy and quality of life. Life expectancy. At the time when your great-grandparents lived, it was quite an accomplishment for a person to survive until age 50. Today, most people live well beyond age 50. The number of years a person can expect to live is called life expectancy. In the United States, life expectancy increased by 30 years between 1900 and 2000. Some reasons for this increase were better health care, nutrition, sanitation, and work conditions. Quality of life. Two women are born in the same year. One woman is physically active and mentally alert throughout her life. She has a close relationship with family and friends. The other woman has a series of health problems during her life that reduces her ability to enjoy life. Although the women have the same life expectancy, they have a different quality of life. Quality of life is the degree of overall satisfaction that a person gets from life. For many people, a high quality of life is one of their goals. A goal is a result that a person aims for and works hard to reach. Aspects of health. To achieve a high quality of life, a person cannot concentrate on only one aspect of health. Instead, the person must work hard to improve all aspects of health. The aspects of health that are important to overall well-being are physical health, mental and emotional health, and social health. Physical health. Do you have enough energy to go to school, enjoy your spare time, and take care of your responsibilities at home? If so, your physical health is probably good. Physical health refers to how well your body functions. When you are physically healthy, you are able to carry out everyday tasks without becoming overly tired. A healthy diet, regular exercise, adequate sleep, and proper medical and dental care are all important for physical health. Mental and emotional health. The state of being comfortable with yourself, with others, and with your surroundings is called mental health. When you are mentally healthy, your mind is alert. You can learn from your mistakes, and you can recognize your achievements. Emotional health refers to how you react to events in your life. You are emotionally healthy when the feelings you experience are appropriate responses to events. To maintain your emotional health, you need to take the time to relax, and you need to share your feelings with others. Social health. Being able to make and keep friends is one sign of social health. Social health refers to how well you get along with others. When you are socially healthy, you have loving relationships, respect the rights of others, and give and accept help. Building healthy relationships with family and friends is important for social health. So is communicating your needs to others. But good social health doesn't just happen. You have to work at it by getting involved with others at school and in your community, and perhaps most importantly, by building strong relationships with members of your family. The continuum of health. Suppose that someone asked you this question: would you say that you are in perfect health or in poor health? How would you answer? You might not feel comfortable choosing either of these options. You might wish that you had been given some choices between the two extremes. Defining continuum. Try to picture a solid line that is white at one end, then light gray, gray, dark gray, and finally black at the other end. What you have just pictured is one type of a continuum. A continuum is a gradual progression through many stages between one extreme and another. In the example of the line, the extremes are white and black, and stages are many shades of gray in between. A health continuum. Figure 2 shows one model of continuum for health. One end of the continuum represents poor health, which is often referred to as illness. The other end represents a perfect or ideal health, and is often referred to as wellness. Wellness is a state of high-level health. Look at Figure 2. See some characteristics that describe people at either end of the continuum. Because the continuum includes the full range of health, each person's health status would be marked by a point along the continuum. Movement along the continuum. Your location on the health continuum is not constant throughout your life. You can move towards illness or you can move towards wellness. At a point in the middle of the continuum, you are not sick. At a point in the middle of the continuum, you are not sick, but you are not enjoying the full benefits of overall health either. At one time, many people were satisfied just to be in the middle of the continuum. They were more concerned about avoiding illness and death than about improving the quality of their lives. Today, however, achieving a higher level of health and a better quality of life is possible for most people. Many of the choices you make on a daily basis affect your position on the health continuum. Some decisions move you closer to the illness end of the continuum. Suppose you choose to ride a bicycle without a helmet. If you are thrown from the bicycle in a crash, the result could be serious brain damage. Some decisions move you closer to the wellness end of the continuum. If you choose not to smoke, you will be less likely to develop lung cancer or heart disease later in life. You have more control over your health than you may think. Section 1 Review. Key ideas and vocabulary. Why are both life expectancy and quality of life used to evaluate overall health? Question 2. What are the three aspects of overall health? Question 3. What is a continuum? Describe the extremes of the health continuum. Question 4. How are the choices people make related to their positions on the health continuum? Critical thinking question. Comparing and contrasting. What is the difference between mental and emotional health? Question 6. Relating cause and effect. What are two ways you could improve your physical health, your emotional health, or your social health? Question 7. Evaluating. Cody eats a lot of junk food and doesn't get much exercise. However, he doesn't have any obvious signs of illness. Where would you place Cody on the health continuum? Explain. That is Section 1, Chapter 1.